Python PP, Python++. This is the place to learn Python the smart way with power projects and practical coding skills. We believe the best way to master Python is by building real things, not just watching tutorials. That's why every video walks you through hand-on real-world projects, step by step. And marking a Python project to us, it only takes 3 simple steps. First, download the code from GitHub. Second, set up the project and install any required libraries. Third, run it and start learn by doing. All the code is free, beginner friendly and easy to follow. You all will automation tools, A tabs, web projects and more. We'll learning clean code and practical techniques. Whether you are just starting out or leveling up, PythonPP gives you the tool to the learn but build. So hit subscribe, download your first project and let's create something awesome together. This is PythonPP, learn by building.